How to change your name on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video, I'll simply show you how you can change your name on TikTok. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. If you'd like to change your name on TikTok, all you have to do is go ahead and launch your TikTok application and then make sure that you're signed into your account. And once you're signed into your account, tap on the profile icon from the bottom right hand side and you'll complete this page. And on this page, you just need to tap on the edit profile button. Once you tap on edit profile, it depends on what name you want to change. If you want to change the display name, you can tap on the name button, enter the new name that you want to use, and then just tap on the change button from the bottom. Or else, you could tap on the username section and then enter the new username you would like to use, and then tap on the save option from the top right. And that's basically how you can change your name on TikTok. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.